Isang mensahe muli ang ibinigay ni Chris Aquino at humihinga ito ng patuloy na panalangin para sa kanyang paggaling. Doon ay kinuwento ni Chris ang ibang mga test na kailangan gawin sa kanya. Kwento ni Chris, I came in for the second dose of my rituximab. I was prepared in the sense that we already knew all the protocols we would all need to follow. I have to give a big shout out to Dr. Ging because she saw something in my blood panel results that she found alarming. She convinced me to have an ultrasound. It's not this one. Done yesterday with all my hospitalizations, I can already tell na dapat na akong kabahan pag umakyat na yung senior technician. I had more tests today and 3 different specialists. I want to protect their privacy, kaya very general ang pagbigay ko ng info. Came to explain things to me and how important it was to not delay because I would be endangering my life further. Parang kulang pa yung mahirap ng bilangin na life-threatening autoimmune diseases ko. Since the night before my confinement, Bim hasn't been sleeping well. Sunday, Kuya came to visit me. I'll share those pics when I am discharged. Dr. NC told me that he doesn't do procedures unless they are necessary, but this is something all my doctors discuss. Why does Chris Aquino get this difficult to detect possible health time bombs, not once but twice in her lifetime, and because of the first, we now all know she's allergic to all blood thinners. I had the non-invasive option explained to me, but I chose to literally trust Filipino doctors with my life rather than take medicine that I am unsure of, especially because I just finished a big dose of a strong immunosuppressant and I am continuing with 2 immunosuppressants and so much more supplements, antihistamines, and important vitamins. Please pray for all my doctors, those assisting them in the OR, all the nurses, especially mine and technicians. Huwag sana kayo sumuko sa pagdasal dahil kumukuha ko ng lakas galing sa kabutihan ng loob nyo. Bumuhos naman ang panalangin para kay Chris. Ayon sa isang netizen, please know that we keep on praying for you. Sabi pa ng isa, please Lord, padalangin mo si Chris Aquino. Sa puntong ito ay nakita ni Chris ang pagmamahal ng napakaraming mga kaibigan, hindi lamang sa show business pati na rin ng kanyang milyon na followers. Kaya naman umaasa ang lahat na patuloy na lalaban si Chris hindi lamang para sa kanyang sarili pero lalo na para sa kanyang pamilya.